All right, YouTube, it's your boy, it's Ken, your favorite Elite Plus, Celebrity Millennium, Royal Suite, 6138. Here's the room tour. Now, look, we have the dining area here. This is a Royal Suite, so obviously it comes with champagne. It also comes with 2 bottles of liquor. We're going to change that that Johnny Walker out for some rum. And then we have some goose. Here's the dining area. Into the living area. This is really fantastic here. See the number of chairs. Also, tons of storage. All there, and look how big that TV is. Let's come into the walk-in closet here. Bigger than Michael Poole's rooms. Take you to the bathroom. Here we go. Newly redone, renovated, revolutionized. You know what it is. Double sinks, huge lit mirror, jetted tub. Here is our commode. And then we have our beautiful stand-up shower with the glass door into the bedroom. Let's go. We have the Celebrity King bed, another big screen TV. Now, the one thing that's a little crazy, those are European plugs over there, but that's okay. Window. We have a vanity for the ladies to look pretty. And now let's take you outside to show you the balcony. Hi, that's me. Hot tub, celebrity hot tub. Look at the number of chairs on this balcony. Is this amazing? There is also another door to get you back into the living area. We are alongside here in the Celebrity Millennium. It's your boy, it's Ken, your favorite Diamond Plus. Please like and subscribe. We will see you at sea. We are here in Singapore.